Boom! Off-White Jordan for sale. Let's go. First things first, just letting you guys know that these are not authentic. These are actually UA replicas, even though they look pretty damn legit. So we'll be trying to get a real pair of these in a couple days. If you guys want to follow my Instagram, I'll leave a link down below. But yeah, in the next couple days, I'm trying to do a comparison video. So let's get started on the review on these. Let's go. So this is the box that it came in. Jordan logo, flight. Air Jordan 4 Retro 4s, suggested retail price of $200 USD, and inside of it, Jordan right here, Off-White. So, Off-White Jordan for sale right here. The left shoe, Off-White tag. I don't even see it. Off-White right here. The Jordan Air Jordan keychain. I try to go over the in-depth detail in the entire video, but yeah, Air right here. At the back, Nike. Shoelace. Air Jordan at the back. The soles right here. Stars. Nike. Inside the shoe, Nike Air. And to let you guys know, it does come with 3 extra pair of shoelace: lime green, light green, black, white, and the original pair. And they all have the shoelace, Off-White shoelace in them. The Jordan logo right here, flight right here, FTC. Bruh. If you guys see any flaws on these so far compared to a real one, let me know in the description down below, because I will be reading every single comment. Anything so far? Nothing? So this is what it's going to look like on these. As always, the Off-White right here, Off-White, Nike 2020 zip tie, Jordan Air keychain, Air right here, Air bubble, Jordan logo if you can hear it. The material on this is so nice. Nike at the bottom as well. Right here on the tongue, Air Jordan upside down, Nike Air. Everything's so detailed on the shoe. As you can see, the stars. I'm gonna zoom in real quick. Oh my goodness, everything's so detailed on the shoe. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with my purchase. These look really legit. The qualities on it is actually really nice compared to the other 4s I've got in the past. So yeah, like I said before, I'll be trying to get an authentic pair of the Off-White Jordan for sale in the next couple of days and do a comparison video, an in-depth comparison video. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, I don't know where it is, but every single social media, I'll leave a link down below. And yes, guys, sell out. So I got these shoes from Yeezyqueen.ru. Right here, Off-White Jordans for sales, $170. So yeah, if you guys want to know where I got these, I'll leave a link down in the description below, and I'm out. Peace.